Good morning, crewmates and crew members. Welcome back to the channel, LCFC Last Cast Fishing Crew. Guys, today it's the beginning of May. It's about 72 degrees, and we are at the Outer Banks. As you can see, the old truck and old boat made it down here, no problems. Got here last night. We're getting ready to prep the boat and take off out of Oregon Inlet. Right now, you cannot keep any trout, unfortunately. You can't keep any stripers. You can't keep any flounder, so hopefully we can get a couple dry and take back. Get a little bit of food, but getting ready to take out of Pirates Cove Marina, getting the boat set up. Wish us luck. LCFC Last Cast Fishing Crew. Let's go. It's a little choppy adventure today, boys. Like these islands. Wind's not too bad. Wish us luck. Let's go. Alright guys, we're about the only spot we've got. There's not much wind. We're in about 3 foot of water. I'm gonna fish this little island on the backside, try to hide from this wind. We'll get fishing here with this BLUES TP1 speed stick. It is 6.6 medium power. Got the old Papa cork on. Old trusty shrimp. Let's go. Oh, where's your fish? I got him. I got him. He's little, but I got him. Little bluefish. It's got to be a little bluefish. It is a solid trout, kids. Awesome. Maybe that's what bit off my shrimp. Good. Oh yeah. That would have been a keeper, boys. Let's see what he is. Nah, he'd be just under 14, I bet. Yep, about 12 inches. Hold him up there and let me get a good picture of him. Awesome. I worked so hard for that. Speckled trout, beautiful little fish. Thanks for the fight, big guy. Get the net, Peyton. Alright, Keegan hooked up here. Little blue trout. That is a fat trout. Awesome. On a bucktail. Awesome. Hard work, folks. Bring on. Solid fish right there. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Awesome. Let's get a quick measurement, get them back in the water. I'm going to say 14. 15 maybe. Oh. 15, 16? 15. Awesome. Thanks for the fight, big guy. She did good. Oh, hold on. I just got smoked. I mean, smoked. He's still hitting it. Got him. There was a bunch of them right there in that channel.
All right, thanks.
Awesome, man. I saw him chasing it. Saw him chasing it. Little bluefish. Got some bait. Just switched up. Went to the bottom. Saw a school of fish coming through there. Smoked it. Hold still, guy. Stop. Them teeth on this guy. It's crazy. Open your mouth. Solid little bluefish. Thanks for the fat little guy. Peyton's on up here. A nice fish right here. Solid bluefish. Ah, it's a pounder. It's a good sandwich or great base. Either or. They got some vicious teeth. Thumbs up. You were due. That's a great little size fish right there. Awesome. Thanks for the fight, big guy. Oh, he about jerked it right out of my hand. He's still after it. Still eating it. There he's on there. I got him. They're running in 2 or 3 schools at a time.
I'd keep them all. We can freeze
Look,
them.
he didn't even have the hook. He just had it. His teeth sunk in right here, guys. Awesome. Good little bait right there. That was an aggressive bite. I'm still a big guy. Awesome. Awesome. OBX. That's nice right now, isn't it? Keegan just hooked up. You need net? Payton, net's behind you. Nah, you can flip him in. That's a bigger blue. Solid blue right there. That's a good salmon. Awesome. What were you using?
That bucktail, white bucktail.
Little white bucktail, folks. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up. Payton just swung and missed at one. Awesome. Let me see his teeth. Look at those teeth. Awesome. Alright, let's get a bluefish. There he is. Little one, I got it. Let's pop him in. Let me just let him go. Let's see if he's got the hook. Hold still, big guy. Yep, I actually hooked him. Solid little fish. We're gonna let him go. Maybe. Stop. You're going right back, buddy. Man, they're fast. Payton's hooked up again.
Dad, throw it right there.
Is Keegan on? There it is, folks. Hey, y'all show it up.
There's 4 of them.
Okay, awesome. Let me see what you got. Doubled up, about 10, 11-inch trout, and 10, 11. Let's see who's the bigger. I think yours is a little longer, Payton. Just a little bit. Awesome. Let me see the tooth on that thing right there. He's missing one of his big ones on the top. That's awesome. Awesome.
He's like above 30.
Solid little fish. Stop. Oh, I about got hurt. Almost got hurt. Hooked up again, probably a small bluefish or a trout. We found a nice pocket of fish right here.
Oh my God, it's a big whiting. Hey.
A whiting on plastic. That doesn't happen very often.
He's big.
About messed up right there. Was talking. Let me get a picture of him. slippery, aren't they? Ah. Nice little whiting. Thanks for butt big guy. Good fish. Biggest blue so far. Maybe, yeah. Right. Solid bluefish right there. Put that yourself now. We probably should keep him on. Guys, don't let this little guy go. We are gonna let this little guy go for sure. Stop. You got fish or not? All right, Keegan's on. Need a net or you good? Little bluefish. That's how we do it. Quick release. Awesome. That's what we've been catching non-stop for the past hour. OBX. Out.
Oh, it's a good trout. Good trout. Hey, hey.
Nice trout here. Let me get a picture of it. That's solid fish right there. A good picture. Pull your line up tight so I can get that lure with the teeth in there. Good job. Pull it up. I want to get a picture of it. Look at it right there. He's grunting like crazy.
That was a different bite. One of that. Good cook.
Blue or trout? Sizable bluefish. Awesome. Alright guys. It's gonna wrap it up for day one. I know the wind's terrible. We moved around. We didn't come out till about 12:31. Moved around first few hours just trying to find fish. Finally found them right where we put the boat in. Imagine that. Well, we ended up probably catching 20 bluefish, probably 5 trout. So it was an awesome few hours. Our goal was just to try and find where the fish were at. They were kind of deep today. But soft plastics worked great today. Hope you enjoyed the video. LCFC Last Cast Fishing Crew. We're out.